Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Prakhar Shrivastava and I welcome you to Complete Calculus Series 7 hours masterclass. This masterclass is not in one class, 10 minutes videos are there and I hope that you will enjoy today's videos as well. But I'll just brief you about myself. I have secured All India 3rd rank in GATE 2000 took admission into IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, but finally completed my masters from NITIE Mumbai, which is one of the top-notch institute for supply chain management in India. Currently, I carry an experience of teaching for about 6+ years now, and I have taught more than 25,000 students who are placed in top-notch firms of India and after studying from reputed colleges of India. So if you want to know more about me, you can obviously reach out to me on my Telegram channel, Maths Confidence. And yes, I also carry a corporate experience for working with the top-notch brands of India and international. Okay, so I hope that you have got a brief idea about your faculty. Currently, we are discussing the topic of calculus. And in the previous lecture, we have discussed about the small topics of calculus earlier as well. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so the next topic that I want to discuss is the Lagrange's mean value theorem. We have already discussed about the Rolle's mean value theorem, RMVT, which states that if the function is going up and down, there will be 2 points A and B. There will be 2 points A and B such that the value of the function at both A and B are same. Let us say M. Then there exists a point C such that f dash C is equal to 0, which is fine. But now what happens if A and B are not equal? If A and B are not equal, if A is not equal to B, then your Rolle's mean value theorem will not be applicable. Then your Rolle's mean value theorem won't be applicable. Now, which theorem will be applicable? Lagrange's mean value theorem. Lagrange's mean value theorem is. Let us check. Lagrange's mean value theorem states that if f of x is continuous in the closed interval a to b and f of x exists in the open interval a to b, then there exists a value c in a and b such that f of f dash c is not equal to 0 in this case. It is f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. So simply we are generalizing a case where the 2 points are there, a and b, the value of the function is different at both the points, which usually happens, and in that case there might exist a point c such that f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. For example, suppose this is your graph. Now this is the point A and this is a point B. At A the value of the function is y1, at B the value of the function is y2. Now if you try to solve it up like this, you can clearly see that this value is equal to y2 minus y1, which is f of b minus f of a, and this value is equal to b minus, and this is equal to f dash c. Yes, this is exactly correct. That's what I'm trying to talk, that f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus. So you don't have to put a lot of efforts. You just have to focus on the very simple thing. That how to calculate a value and how to apply Lagrange's mean value theorem. For example, let us take a question. Sir, in mean value theorem, they haven't mentioned Rolle's or mean. You have to find out that whether you will apply the Rolle's mean value theorem or the Lagrange's mean value theorem. If the 2 point in the mean value theorem, f of b minus f of a is equal to b minus a into f dash c. So this is Lagrange's mean value theorem. Determine C lying between a and b if f of x is given by this term, that is x into x minus 1 into x minus 2, x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay sir, no issues in that. And the range is a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1 by 2. First we need to calculate the value of a. So if you put x is equal to a, f of a is equal to 0. Okay. If you try to calculate if you try to differentiate it up, you will differentiate it up and put the value of b. If you differentiate it and still again put the value of a, f of a is 0, f dash a is also 0. Okay. So f dash x is 3x square minus 6x plus 2. You differentiate it. Okay, when you differentiate this function, you will get the value 3x square minus 6x plus 2. You replace x with c, so you will be having an equation 3c square minus 6c plus 2. Now it is very simple. F dash c, you know what is the value of f dash c. F dash c is nothing but f of b minus f of a divided by b minus. This is what f dash c is. What is the value of function at 1 by 2? So this will be equal to, this is f, this is not f dash a, this is f of b. This is x is 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 2 is minus 3. So f of b is 3 by 8, f of a is 0 divided by b minus a, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 0. This is the value of f dash c, and this is nothing but 3 by 8 divided 3 by 4. Now you know the equation that, now you know that 3c square minus 6c plus 2 is equal to f dash c, which is nothing but 3 by 4. Can you solve it for c? We'll try to solve it for c, not a very big deal. So this is nothing but you this is 3 by 4 na, 3 by 4 na, so you solve it up. This will be equal to into 4 by 3, you multiply into 4 by 3, so this is equal to 3 into 3c square minus 6c plus 2 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. 8 by 8 minus 3, 5 by 4, so this will be equal to 5 by 4. 3c square minus 6c plus 5 by 4 is equal to 0, or 12c square minus 24c plus 5 is equal to 0. You try to solve this equation. So it will be equal to, if I actually go by factorization, so 12 into 5 is 60. 60 can be written as 10 into 6. 60 can be written as 12 into 5. 60 can be written as 15 into 4. 60 can be written as 20 into 3 as well. And 60 can be written as ठीक है, अब मुझे नहीं आ रहा है तो मैं डायरेक्टली उसको ऐसा सॉल्व करूँगा. C is equal to minus b, ठीक है, like the general formula for solving quadratic equation, minus b plus minus root over b square. 24 का square is 576 minus 4ac, so ac is 20 and 4 is 60, 240 divided by 24. So this will be nothing but 24 plus minus 240, आप इसमें से माइनस कीजिए. इफ यू सब्सट्रैक्ट 576 is 376 and it is 336 divided by 24. This will be equal to 24 plus minus 336, the root of something. I'll just check back that ये काय का root है. I'll check that ये काय का root है. So c का value somewhere around, you solve this equation, c का value comes out to be 1 plus minus 0.764. Now I have already told you, now there are two values of c. Which value will you will select? The value that is lying within this range, because the mean value theorem says that the value that is lying between 0 and 1 and 2, we are finding that value. So if it is 1.7, if it is 1 minus 0.764, so this will be equal to what? See, very simple. This will be equal to 1.764 slash it will be equal to 0.236. But this value is not in our range, so we will not consider this value. The only value we are going to consider is 0.236 is 0.236. So I hope you have got the value, how you apply Lagrange's mean value theorem. So we have like previous part, we have discussed Rolle mean value theorem and its numerical. Here we have discussed Lagrange's mean value theorem and its numerical. I'll just give you a brief idea about how to go about it again. Okay. Step 1, calculate f of a, okay, f of b, and then calculate f dash c. This is nothing but f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a, and this is nothing but equal to f dash of x when x is equal to c. You differentiate the function and you put x is equal to c. So you will be having a relation and you will be having a equation in C. You solve that equation, you will get the value of C. Okay, but this is applicable only for Lagrange's mean value theorem. When it comes to Rolle's mean value theorem, f dash c directly reduces to zero. Okay, so we have seen the Lagrange's mean value theorem and how you solve questions related to Lagrange's mean value theorem. So I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. You have understood a lot, and if you are having any doubt, the slides to these lectures will be available on the Telegram channel Maths A Confidence. Apart from that, there is a very exciting project that is being carried out by Unacademy, which is known as All India Mock Test. Sir, what is this All India Mock Test? So All India Mock Test is being conducted for GATE 2023, where a exam will be conducted just like GATE and ESE, so that you will, it is like a simulator test, that is, you will have an experience of that how you will feel while giving the real-time exam. So that is why it is being conducted on a specified date. You cannot attempt it at any point of time. So it is December 4, December 18, 2022, January 8, January 15, 2023, 22nd January 2023 and 29 January 2023. In this, you will get to know your All India rank. You will also be practicing questions that are curated by top educators, and apart from that, you will also get a detailed performance report and along with that video solutions. So what are you waiting for? Just enroll it for free right now using the code Prakhar21, Prakhar21, Prakhar21. You can enroll it for absolutely free by giving a call to the below number. Apart from that, there are other exciting things that are carried on by Unacademy, and such as Udaan batch. So from 24th of November 2022, an Udaan batch is started with the top-notch faculties for Unacademy GATE Computer Science, and for this you have to join Unacademy Plus subscription. And now there are two types of subscription. One is the Plus subscription and another one is the Iconic into it. And if you want to join Unacademy Plus or Iconic, you can use my code Prakhar20. Okay, and apart from that, you can also order your physical notes to your doorstep. What is the process? First, you need to go to the self-study tab in your Unacademy learning app. You need to fill in your order, your delivery or address and the other details. You have to confirm your details, and as soon as your order is processed, a message sent to your registered email ID, and very soon the product will be delivered to your home address. Apart from that, many people struggle with what do you mean by Iconic and the Plus subscription. So Plus subscription is an advanced form of Unacademy where special facilities are given to the students, like top educators teach them. They'll give the PDFs, that is the digital notes, and yes, they are also eligible for the test series. But since you are preparing alone, I would recommend that you should go for Iconic subscription, because see, when you go out and prepare with other students, the physical format, you don't need someone to help you out. But when you are preparing alone at your home, you need someone to push you when you are low. You need someone to discuss things. So that is why this is the best feature of Iconic. That is one-on-one live mentorship is given. Along with that, printed notes will be delivered to your home address. Customized doubt solving feature is there, and a strategy and a study planner will be made for you. You don't feel alone. Apart from that, interactive open house sessions are also conducted to boost you up, to get you more clarity about the examination, about the colleges that you will be getting after this. Apart from this thing, the prices are flexible. That is, the prices for 24 months is 59,708 for Plus subscription, and it is 73,000 for Iconic subscription. For 24 months you are getting 13,000 extra. You have to pay just 13,000 extra for Iconic subscription, in which for 2 years you will be getting a companion printed note. So why you are waiting for? What you are actually waiting for? It is even, you can say, less than 600 rupees around a month that we usually spend here and there. So if you want to join Unacademy Plus or Iconic subscription, you can use my code Prakhar21 and you will to get the maximum discount. And it depends upon the facilities that are available at this particular moment of time when you are trying to solve it. Like, you can get a very heavy amount of like discount, because there are multiple times there are price drops as well. Okay, So this is again one very important thing. And if you think this amount is quite huge, so you can opt for no cost EMI or 0% loan on interest, so that you don't have to pay at once. You can start with as low as 22,239 rupees per month, which is even less than school fees of some you can say some school, that is some like a lot of schools. So you can get the approval in 2 hours, minimal paperwork. So this is not a very very like challenging thing. The third thing we are having is Unacademy Lite. So for 12 months you have to pay 1490. For 24 months you have to pay 2499. Again, if you use the code Prakhar21, you would be getting a 10% flat discount. Apart from that, here in this subscription you will be getting the questions created by top educator. 60 plus tests are available for all branches. Doubt solving sessions are there with expert. Detailed results are there, so you will enjoy it. Okay, so I hope that you have enjoyed today's lecture. I hope you have got the brief idea about what we are doing right now. We are promoting the quality education. Hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Thank you.